Hey everyone, today I've got a super quick Google Docs tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to save your Google Doc as a PDF. I've actually got two methods for you and they both work great. And PDFs are a great way to share your files with others so they can view them. So let's go ahead and show you the first method. Head up to the File tab here at the top left and left click on that. And you can hover down and you'll see an option here that says Download. If you hover over Download, you can go off to the right and then hover down and you'll see an option here that says PDF document or .pdf. You can go ahead and select that. This will automatically download the PDF version of your document. So you can see it comes up here in my downloads. So that's the first method and we'll have a look at that in a moment. The second method, go back to File and we're going to go down to Print here at the bottom. So go ahead and select Print. It's going to bring up your printer. So this is what this looks like in Windows 11. You can see the destination here is set to my printer. But if we click on that, we can go down to Microsoft Print to PDF right here. We can go ahead and select that. And we can actually make some adjustments here if we want, color, black and white, etc. But we'll go ahead and hit Print. It's going to ask us where we would like to save that. I'm going to go to my Downloads folder and we can give it a name. I'll just call it PDF. Go ahead and hit Save, and that will save it as a PDF as well. So now when we go to our Downloads folder here, you can see that both of those options are in here as a PDF. So I'll go ahead and open up the first one, and that looks great. If I go back, we can open up the second one, and that one is a PDF as well. And really it's that simple to save your Google Docs as a PDF.